Hello, and welcome back to Beauty Bee. Today's video is going to be just a chatty get ready with me, somewhat inspired by ColourPop's new Freckle pen release. Now, I don't have these. I am on a no-buy for those who are not aware, and I don't plan on getting them, but I do think that fake freckles could be really cute. I had freckles as a kid. I mean, I think if you look at my skin tone, that's not super surprising. I've kind of outgrown them though. But I think it is sort of a cute, youthful summer look to have just a few. So I'm gonna do my eyes and pretty much the rest of my face first. I'm going to do just a really slightly warm, neutral bronze eye using pretty much just these two shadows as well as this shade, which is more of a glimmery slight yellow on my skin tone than anything else. So I'm just going to apply that with my finger and put it on from the inside of my lid to maybe the 2/3 point. Can you see how that doesn't add a whole lot of color? It mostly adds just sheen. And as that wears throughout the day, the color fades, but the shine remains. Okay, now we're going to take this true bronze shade. I'm going to take that just on another clean finger. I'm going to put it on the outer corner and well as sort of a little bit up and over that shade into the crease, just a tiny bit. And that doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to blend it out quite a bit more with the matte shade. Okay. So I'm going to wipe my finger just to make sure I'm not accidentally getting it over the rest of my face. And I'm going to go in with this fluffy crease brush into the matte, somewhat cool brown. And I'm just going to blend the edges of that bronze out and put it in my crease. All right, so that's looking pretty good. I think that I will also put just a little bit of that true bronze under my eye with this smudger brush. And I'd put that only about to the halfway point on each eye. Now I'm going to put on mascara, and do my eyebrows. I think I'm only gonna do upper lashes today. And we're gonna do my best not to get my hair in there. Okay. Mascara done. I'm just gonna fill in eye pencil. Okay. Pretty quick, easy eye look there. And now I'm going to move to cheeks. And for this, I'm going to use this multi-stick. It is sort of a peachy pink, and it shows up quite warm on my skin tone. Just gonna dot that on both cheeks and blend in with my fingers. Make sure that's even, looks good. So now we get to do the fake freckles. I'm going to again go in with my brow pencil. I use mine in the shade Blonde, and I find that it works pretty well with my skin tone. I admit that I have not tried fake freckles on my nose before, but I have done them just on my hand a few times to test it out, and it's worked really well. So I think that for people with lighter hair, their brow pencil will probably work pretty well for them. If you have very dark hair, particularly if you have dark hair and fair skin, I imagine you might want to look at some of your powder shadows, or maybe into getting a lighter brow pencil to do this with. These e.l.f. ones are like $2, and I think they're worth a try over the ColourPop ones, which are probably more in the $8 range. So where I naturally had freckles as a child was just pretty much on my nose and maybe a tiny bit out on my cheeks. So I'm going to work on my nose first, and then we'll see how that's looking and if I want to take them out further. So I'm going to make sure my finger's clean first, and then sort of tap those in, make them look sort of one with my skin. Okay, that's soft, but I think they're cute. I'm going to take them out just a little bit further, probably no further than this, than the very center of the apple of my cheek on both sides. Okay, that's actually showing up better on camera than it does in person. So I'm going to tap those in with that clean finger just to blend them out. Because right now they look like very pretty defined dots. But, I mean, freckles are a natural part of your skin. They don't have super defined edges. Okay, I think that's really cute. Obviously this is not the most extreme freckle look, but again, even when I was a kid, I didn't have super deep dark freckles. I had really what looked pretty much like this, just right along my nose at the apples of my cheeks, and they were pretty light brown. They deepened over the course of the summer a bit, but they were never super dark. Now, I want to use that same color that I used on my cheeks on my lips. This is why I like multi-sticks so much. They just make it so easy to match everything. Okay, I think I might put just a tiny bit of gloss on this. I think it could use it. This is my NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. It's a little more pink than my lip is, but I'm just gonna dab a tiny bit on. And yeah, you can't really see the pink. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you use to do fake freckles if you do them. I'm really liking this technique using just the brow pencil, and my brows tend to stay pretty well throughout the day, so I suspect I'll get good lasting power out of this. Let me know if you have ever tried that, and if you end up getting the ColourPop one, how that works out for you in comparison. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!